Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to speak about the Linux and the NGINX and how you can use the NGINX like the load balancer and how you can split the traffic between two instances. I already have 3 NGINX servers. I have my primary one, then I have my server A and then a server B. If you want to know how you can set it up, you can just look my previous video, then you will get in touch how you can set it up. So we have working with the proxies. In this video I will focus on how you can use NGINX as a load balancing and how you can be sure when you're routing the traffic it will be on the same instance, and how you basically can use the health check to if the one NGINX is failed and then it's later coming back online and then it's sending the traffic back again. That's what I want to teach you about in this video. So thank you so much for staying here today, and I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can do it on the thing in the right corner below the video. Thank you so much, and let's go to do something. So the first we're going to do now, it's say conf here, and the default, we open this and we have all the configuration here. I'll go down and I'll copy one just to work with, and let's create one to call it load balance. That's what we want to do, and we will create an upstream. The upstream would be we will call it LB test. That's what we're gonna call it right now. And of course we need to say HTTP, else won't work. Then we're going up here, and out of the server here we want to say the upstream and call it LB test, and down below here we want 2 servers. The first one should be the server A, and then we want to server B, and then we basically just going down and close this file, because then we are up and running. We want to check it, and then we are good to go. And of course we just copy this, going for the browser here and check it up. And now it's probably make error. Let's do that because we don't have it on the server A and B, so we need to go in to the server A and B and create these files. So let's go inside here and in code here we need the load balance here, and to this one and say h1 server A load balance. That's what I want to do. And I need one more here. Server B load balance, and everything is running good. So let's go back to the browser and reload to see server A, server B, and nothing here. It's as it should be. I'll just move this a little bit here so you can see the server, and I'll just, and now you can see it's splitting about server A and B, and we're hitting different servers. Remember the index files and the configuration file for the NGINX will be on my GitHub, so don't worry if you don't follow in this video. You can just download the code for free. Now it would be very nice if we can say 70% is going for the server B and the last going for the server A. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's go back to the terminal and change that. So let's open the file up here, and we have the upstream. So what we're gonna do is saying we need to say weight, it's equal to 7. That's meaning 70%, and then we close it down. Say NGINX, everything is okay. NGINX, reload, and then if you're going back for the browser again and reload, you can see the almost, when I reload, it's will hitting the B server. So it's will hitting the B server much more than hitting the A server. So that's how you can routing the traffic if you have different setups for the endpoint. But if you have like the old website and the new website and you need to route between those, then you have the conflicts between if you have 10 requests on the website, then something will hit the old one and the other will hit the new one. And for that we can configure that so we will always hit the same server every time based on the IP. And if the one server going down, it will flip over to the other one, and when the server is back online, it will be restored for the actually connection we want. So let's do this. We're going back for the terminal again, and I'll do this and going inside here, and the upstream here I need to say IP hashed here. That's meaning the IP it's coming from, decide which server we want to hit, and when we hit the server, then this will always be on this server until we, I think, restart the NGINX or the server caching is running out, something like that. And then we need a little bit more. I will saying max fails here. Max fails is equal to 3, and fail timeout is equal to 1 sec. And I will copy this and going below here and save it. Say NGINX and say it here. Everything is okay. So let's restart the NGINX. Reload, and then if we're going back for the browser again and reload, you can see I can reload it as I really want. I will never hit other servers than B. So let's go in for my Hyper-V here. You can see I have a Hyper-V, I have a GBN, and I have server A and server B. So just for fun, we want to turn it off, server B, and it's merging here, so everything is fine. Merging process, yeah, and you can see I will hit the A here in just a minute. It's taking a little bit of time to get the server. You can see now I'm hitting the A. So A, it's fine, but it's trying to go in for the server B, but it's not there anymore. So yeah, let's spin it up again and see how it reacts, and I can just turn it off again. Turn it on, sorry, not off. And then when it's up and running, we are here now, it's up and running, and now we are back for the B. The problem here will be if some server is going down and you don't have visits. So what should you have to check that? Yeah, I know you have that question. So let's going back and going inside here. The only thing you need to do here, it's basically adding the health check. And then it's doing that itself. And yeah, that's the only thing we need to do. So let's restart again and going for the browser here and reload. Everything is fine, so it's running. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you stay, and I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the thing in the right corner below in the video. If you have any questions, please make comments below, and don't forget, all the code will be published on GitHub. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.